Good morning. Today we are starting with example number 6. Before that, we revised what to do in this example. First, we have to prove it's a given statement is a true for n is equal to 1. Then, assuming that a given statement is true for k, that is pk is true, we have to prove it is true for n is equal to k plus 1, that is p k plus 1 is true. If p k plus 1 is true, then by principle of mathematical induction, given statement is true for all n belongs to n. So similarly, one stereotype method. First, we have to take n is equal to 1. So first, for n is equal to 1, left hand side. Left hand side means first term. So first term is this. Here is given in 1 into 2. This is not 1.2. This is 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3. Right? So the left hand side is 1 into 2. That is 2. Right hand side. This is your right hand side. So right hand side is, now putting n is equal to 1 here. What we get? 1 upon 3. 1 plus 1. Put n is equal to 1 here. This is 1 plus 2. So this is 1 upon 3. 2 into 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 will cut. So you will get answer is 2. That is left hand side and right hand side are same. So therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. That means P1 is true. So Pn is true. Right? Now Pk. Right? So let Pk be true. Right? That is Pk. Right? This is your Pn. I am writing here. This is your Pn. Right? So you have to substitute. You know what? N is equal to k. So replacing n by k, what we get? 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4 plus dash 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 plus k into k plus 1 is equal to k by 3. I am replacing n by k, right? K plus 1 and this is k plus 2 where k belongs to n, and you know we have to say this as result number 1 as usual. Now to prove that Pk is true, we are proving that Pk plus 1 is true, right? So next step is to prove that Pk is true. We prove that Pk plus 1 is true. For writing Pk plus 1, you know what to do. Write down left hand side of Pk. Right? Write down left hand side of Pk as it is. So that is to prove that 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4 plus dash 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 plus k into k plus 1. So this is the left hand side of Pk, and then replace k by k plus 1, right? Replace k by, because we are writing a step for Pk plus 1. So plus, and use proper brackets, remember this thing. So this is k. So k plus 1. Here is already one bracket is there, so I am writing big bracket. So replacing k by k plus 1. So this is k plus 1 and already plus 1 is there. Already plus 1 is there. Got it? We replace this k by k plus 1 and this is your 1 as it is. Right? Now similarly here, replace k by k plus 1. So this is k plus 1 another bracket, this k by k plus 1 plus 1, right? We replace this k by k plus 1, again this k by k plus 1, so into k plus 1, this k by k plus 1 and plus 2 as it is, so plus 2 divide by 3, right? That is to prove that 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4 plus dash plus k into k plus 1 plus k plus 1, so k plus 1. Now what is this? K plus 1 plus 1, that is k plus 2. So this is k plus 2 is equal to k plus 1. This is again k plus 1 means k plus 2. And this is k plus 1 plus 2. So this becomes k plus 3 divided by 3. So now this is your target to prove. Now this is your left hand side. So we are taking left hand side. So left hand side is 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus dash. I am not writing third term, I am writing last term directly, right? So plus k plus 1 plus, see I am writing big notation of plus, k plus 1, k plus 2. This is our left hand side, right? Now as you know, second last term, that is from first to this k plus 1 is always a result number 1. So what is the answer of this? Is k by 3. So this is equal to k by 3, right? K plus 1. This is k plus 2 and plus this is k plus 1, k plus 2. How this comes? By result number 1. From result number 1. Right? See here, I am putting big plus notation. Why? Because these all terms and these all terms are different. That's why I use big notation. Right? Now taking LCM 3. So taking a LCM 3, this is k plus 1, k plus 2 plus 3 times. This is k plus 1, k plus 2, right? So 3 times k plus 1, k plus 2 whole upon 3 is LCM. So whole upon 3, right? Now see, which term are common? K plus 1, k plus 1, k plus 2, k plus 2. These two terms are common. So taking common, what we get? This is k plus 1, k plus 2, right? Are common. So remaining term is k and here 3. So remaining term will be k plus 3 divided by 3. Now see, what is your answer? K plus 1, k plus 2, k plus 3 and 3, right? So this is your right hand side and this is right hand side, that is P k plus 1 is true, P k plus 1 is true, and you know you have to write 4 steps. P k plus 1 is true, right? So therefore this step is Pk implies P k plus 1 is true, right? No space here, so I am writing here. Also P1 is true. Also P1 is true. Therefore, by PMI for all n belongs to n, Pn is true. For all n belongs to n, Pn is true. Right? So next is example number 4. Pn is given 1 into 2 into 3 plus 2 into 3 into 4 plus n plus 1 n plus 2 is equal to n by 4 1 bracket n plus 1 under bracket n plus 2 n plus 10 we have to prove. As usual, taking n is equal to 1. So for n is equal to 1, left hand side is first term is 1 into 2 into 3. So 1 into 2 into 3 is 3 into 2 6. 3 into 2 6 into 1, that is 6. And the right hand side is substitute n equal to 1 here. So this is 1 upon 4, right? 1 plus 1, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 3. So 1 plus 1, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 3. So this is 1 plus 1, 2, this is 3, and this is 4. So this 4 will cut, 3 into 2, that is 6. So left hand side and right hand side are same, that is P1 is 2. So therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side, therefore P1 is true, right? Now we assume that let Pk be true, let Pk be true, that is Pk, what you have to do, replace n by k, right? So 1 into 2 into 3 plus 2 into 3 into 4 plus plus k plus 1 k plus 2 is equal to k by 4 k plus 1 k plus 2 k plus 3, k belongs to n, reason number 1 as usual, right? Now next step, to prove that Pk is true, we prove that K plus 1 is true, right? This is the format. You have to write this step, only this will be changed. This is left hand side, right hand side, only left hand side, right hand side will be changed, right? Now simplification. What to do? You know. क्या करना है? पता है ना? हाँ. क्या करना है? Pk की left hand side of Pk as it is, right? So writing that is Pk plus 1 is true, right? So that is to prove that left hand side of Pk as it is. So 1 into 2 into 3 plus 2 into 3 into 4 plus plus this is k plus 1, k plus 2. So this is the left hand side of Pk, right? Now replace k by k plus 1. So I am putting plus sign, b plus sign, right? Plus. Now k replaced by k plus 1. So this is k plus 1. Now you know, if we replace k by k plus 1, this becomes k plus 1 plus 1. पता चलता है आपको? Yeah. Now replace k by k plus 1. So what we get? K plus 1 plus 2. Got it? K plus 1 plus 2. Got it? This k replaced by k plus 1. This k plus 1. This is k instead of k plus 1 and plus 1 as it is. This k replaced by k plus 1 and then plus 2 as it is. Got it? Is equal to. We want space some here, so I am writing right hand side here. Right? So this is equal to k, because in your notebook there is a problem for a space in a one continuation line. So you have to break the steps. But remember one thing, while you are breaking like this, right, continuation step, then take a step with sign of the term. Here sign is plus, equal to, so we are taking with equal to, right? So replace k by k plus 1. So this is k plus 1. Now if we replace k plus 1, see here, if we replace k plus 1, this term is become k plus 1, so k plus 2. So you can write directly also. You can write directly also like this. This is k plus 2. This is, if we add 1, then this become k plus 3, right? Because this k is k plus 1. Remember this thing. K plus 1 plus 2, that is k plus 3. So what is this? K plus 4, right? Right? So I am writing directly here. So this is k plus 1. No need to write here also. You can write directly here also. Got it? So now from onwards, from next example, we are never writing like these types. We are writing directly k plus 2, k plus 3, k plus 4, whatever the simplification is. Okay? पता चला ना आपको? हाँ? So now this is k plus 1. Where we are? This thing, है ना? Okay. So now k plus 2. This is k plus 3. And what is this? This is k plus 4. Whole upon 4. Right? You know, k by 4 means 4 is divided by these all terms. So I am writing whole upon 4. So this is your left hand side. So you have to prove this. Right? So this is left hand side. Now no need to simplify this. While we are writing left hand side, we are writing the simplification of this term also. Right? So taking left hand side. So left hand side is 1 into 2 into 3 plus 2 into 3 into 4 plus dash 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 plus k plus 1. This is k plus k. Then k plus 1. This is k plus 2. Right? Then plus big sign. This is k plus 1. So this is k plus 1. This is k plus 2 and this is k plus 3. So this is k plus 2 and this is k plus 3. Got it? Now you know the left hand side of this up to second last step. So this is your second last step. This is always a pk. That is pk means this. Result number 1. So what is this? See here. So answer of this up to this term. This is your pk, right? So answer of this is k by 4. So k by 4, k plus 1, k plus 2, k plus 3, right? So this is your left hand side pk, result number 1. Now plus. So this is plus k plus 1, k plus 2, k plus 3. Why this? This is due to result number 1. So because result number 1, right? So now taking LCM, what we get? This is k plus 1, k plus 2, k plus 3 plus 4 is the LCM. So 4 times k plus 1, k plus 2, k plus 3 divide by 4. Divide by 4. Now see, k plus 1 is common. So k plus 1. Then this k plus 2 is common. So this k plus 2 is common. And this is k plus 3. So this is k plus 3 is common. So taking common, what we get? So k plus 1, k plus 2, k plus 3. Right? So remaining term will be k plus 4. So remaining term will be k plus 4. Divide by 4. Divide by 4. What is this? See here. What you want to prove? K plus 1, k plus 2, k plus 3, k plus 4 by 4. So this is one kind of stereotype method. You have to only simplify. So that means, as earlier I said to you, see, first n is equal to 1 you have to take, substituting left hand side and right hand side if they are same, e1 is 2. Then this statement is also stereotype. Let pk be true. Then write down pk replacing n by k. then this is in each and every example you will write to prove that pk is true, we prove that pk plus 1 is true. Write down k plus 1 instead of k, right? For writing pk plus 1, you have to remember, write down pk's left hand side as it is and then last term replaced by k plus 1. Right hand side k plus 1. Then take this left hand side and in this left hand side a second last term up to second last term is always pk. So replace that result by 1, that is substituting the value of this, right? And then simplify, take common, you will get your answer. So this is very easy example. आपको पता चला ना कितना इजी है? हाँ, कुछ नहीं करना है, सिंप्लीफिकेशन करना है. हाँ, थोड़ा लंबा लिखना पड़ेगा, थोड़ा वर्क टाइम स्पेंड ज्यादा होगा, राइट? ओके, सो नाउ दिस इज योर राइट हैंड साइड and this is right hand side, that is therefore pk plus 1 is true. pk plus 1 is true. Therefore pk implies pk plus 1 is true. Also p1 is true. Therefore by PMI for all n belongs to n, Pn is true. Pn is true. Got it? So next example is example number 7. Pn 1 into 3 plus 3 into 5 plus 5 into 7 up to twice n minus 1 twice n plus 1 is equal to n 4n square plus 6n minus 1 by 3. Right? So as usual, taking n is equal to 1. So for n is equal to 1, left hand side is first term. So left hand side is first term, that is 1 into 3, that is 3. Now right hand side. Right hand side is n is equal to 1. Substitute n equal to 1. What do we get? 1 into 4 plus 6 minus 1 divided by 3. Now 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 minus 1, 9. So 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. That is left hand side is equal to right hand side. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore P1 is true. P1 is true. Right? Now next step, let Pk be true. Right? That is what to do? Replace n by k. So this become pk. So pk is 1 into 3 plus 3 into 5 plus 5 into 7 plus plus replace n by k. That is twice k minus 1 twice k plus 1 is equal to k 4k square plus 6k minus 1 divided by 3 and k belongs to n and this is result number 1. Got it? Now next step, to prove that pk is true, we prove that pk plus 1 is true. We prove that pk plus 1 is true. That is, to prove that, what to do? You know. Yes, exactly. Write down left hand side of pk as it is. So that is to prove that 1 into 3, 3 into 5 plus, I am writing this term, plus plus, this is 2. Now replacing this k by k plus 1 minus 1. Got it? We are replacing this k by k plus 1. Same here, 2 times k plus 1 is equal to, replace k by k plus 1. Sorry. First we have to write, we forget to write the last term. So you have to write left hand side as it is. We forget So twice k minus 1 twice k plus 1 plus एग्जाम में भी ऐसा होता है ख्याल में आप सोच लिया कि k plus 1 रिप्लेस करना है तो ये लिखना भूल गए राइट सो 2 times k plus 1 minus 1 right that means we are replacing this k by k plus 1 again this is 2 times k plus 1 plus 1 right and writing right hand side here this is equal to k is k plus 1 this k that is 4 k plus 1 whole square plus 6 k plus 1 minus 1 divided by 3 right so here simplification is necessary because you don't know what to prove that's why you have to simplify if you know what to prove then no need to simplify and write down the one more step so that is to prove that 1 into 3 plus 3 into 5 plus this plus this is twice k minus 1 this is twice k minus 1 this is twice k plus 1 plus this is different term this is 2k right this is 2k plus 2 and minus 1 so what is your answer 2k plus 1 so I'm writing directly 2k plus 1 this is 2k plus 2 this is 2k plus 2 and plus 1 so what is the answer 2k plus 3 so 2k plus 3 right is equal to k plus 1 so k plus 1 as it is now this is 4 times k plus 1 whole square so this is 4 times k plus 1 whole square right so if you want to expand then you can so answer of this is k square plus twice k plus 1 plus 6k plus 6k plus 6 and this is minus 1 whole upon 3 now simplify this is 4k square no term is another for a square so this is k plus 1 this is 4k square now this is 4 into 2 8k plus 6k that is 14k so plus 14k right this is plus 4 plus 6 that is 10 minus 1 is 9 plus whole upon 3 so you have to prove this is equal to this right so taking left hand side समझ में ना आपको PAY में सिर्फ कैलकुलेशन दिखाना है only to show how to prove right suppose you don't know the factor of simplification then you can multiply this and compare this and the answer you will get your answer I will show you right so left hand side your left hand side is 1 into 3 plus 3 into 5 plus dash plus 2k minus 1 2k plus 1 2k minus 1 2k plus 1 and then 2k plus 1 this is different term this is different term right so 2k plus 1 2k plus 3 so 2k plus 1 2k plus 3 now as you know second last term right so second last term to first term that is first to second last term is always result number 1 so substitute this value here because this is result number 1 so what is your answer so this is k into 4k square plus 6k minus 1 divided by 3 this is due to result number 1 and remaining term are plus 2k plus 1 2k plus 3 right this is due to result number 1 now multiplying this taking LCM multiply this term by 3 so and expanding this also so this is 4k cube plus 6k square minus k plus 6k square minus k. Now plus 3 times. Now multiplying this 2k with 2k, that is 4k square, 2 with 3, that is 6k. So plus 6k. Now 1 with 2k, so answer is plus 2k, and 1 with 3, that is plus 3, whole upon LCM is 3, so I am writing 3. Right? Now this is 4k cube plus 6k square minus k plus, this is 4 into 3, 12k square plus 6 into 3, 18k. Right? Sorry, this is 6 plus 2, we are adding, so less one term will be there. So 6 plus 2, 8, 8 into 3, 24k. And if you don't know, then write down 8k, 18k plus 6k, 18 plus 4, 6 is 24, right? So this is 24k, and plus 9 divided by 3. Now adding this, what we get? 4k cube plus 6 plus 12, 18k square, 18k square, 24 minus k, that is plus 23k, and plus 9 divided by 3, plus 9 divided by 3. Now see here, this is our target to prove, right? Now if you don't know what is the answer of this, right, what to do next, क्या करना है पता नहीं चलता है, फैक्टर भी आपको नहीं पता है, तो क्या करना है? देखो ये जो k plus 1 है इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए. What to do? Multiply this k plus 1 with this, you will get this answer. See here, if we multiply with k, what is the answer? 4k cube, right, plus k, that is plus 14k square, right, then plus 9k, then multiply by 1, that is plus 4k square, right, plus 14k, plus 14k, and plus 9, plus 9 divided by 3. I am not writing. See, check here, 4k cube is there, right? Now 14 plus 4, 18k square, 14 plus 9, 23k, and plus 9 as it is, right? That means you will get your right hand side. So आपको पता नहीं है तो आप यहाँ पे क्या करना है, आपको pk plus 1 में मैं अभी सब ट्रिक बताता हूँ, क्योंकि आपको प्रैक्टिस हो गई कैसे क्या करना है सब पता चल गया, इसलिए अभी तक नहीं बताया था, राइट? तो जब आपके पास इसका आंसर नहीं मिलता है, फैक्टराइज क्या है, फैक्टर नहीं मिलता है, तो क्या करना है आपको? सो रिमेंबर वन थिंग, skip 1 or 2 lines after this step, right? यदि यहाँ मैंने 2 लाइन स्किप कर दी होती तो मैं ये सिंप्लिफिकेशन यहाँ लिख लग सकता था, right? Then this is your right hand side, so both are equal, but I know the factor of this is what, so I am doing this. See, you know k minus 1 is not a factor of this. Now check even terms power and odd terms power, right? Coefficient of even power and odd power. So here this is sum is 23 plus 4 27. So odd power term है उसका sum क्या होगा कोफिशिएंट का 27, and even power terms है sum of the coefficient is 18 plus 9 27, that is k plus 1 is one of the factor, right? So k plus 1 is one of the factor, so k plus 1 is factor, right? Now you know syntactic division method. Write down the coefficient in decreasing order. So here k cube is coefficient is 4, so write down 4. Then square coefficient is 18, so write down 18. Then power 1 coefficient is 23 and constant term is 9, right? Now you know if k plus 1 is the factor, then k plus 1 is equal to 0. This comes, ये होता है k plus 1 equal to 0. That is k is equal to minus 1. So write down minus 1 here. Put 0 here. Always put 0. So what you get? This is, add these two terms. So 4 plus 0 is 4. Now multiply this. Minus 4. Right? Now 18 minus 4 is 14. Now 14 into minus 1 is minus 14. Now 23 minus 14 is 9. And this is minus 9. So this is 0. And you know, factor of this is, one of the factor is k plus 1. So this is k plus 1. Now write 1 power less. That is, this is the coefficient of k square. This is k and this is your constant term. So what is your answer? See now. See, this is, so factor of this is k plus 1, 4k plus 1, 14k plus 9. Right? And see here, this is. So if you don't know how to factorize this term, then multiply this, write down here and say there is your right hand side. Got it? So this is k plus 1, 4k square plus 14k plus 9 divided by 3. Right? So this is your right hand side. Therefore p k plus 1 is to p k plus 1 is to, therefore pk implies pk plus 1 is true. Also p1 is true. Also p1 is true. Therefore by PMI, for all n belongs to n, Pn is true. Got it?